It is a night of thunderstorms and lightning. Carl was awakened by a nightmare in a sudden. His painful expressions and bloodshot eyes suggested that he was in extreme discomfort. This was already the 101st recurrence of his illness, but soon he returned to normal. He seemed to feel a mysterious force calling at him, so he got up and walked outside. Elena was preparing to go to the library to search for some information. Arriving at the library entrance, Elena noticed something unusual. She looked down and saw her necklace flickering, while raising her head to find a group of strange bats circling above her. The unusual situation made Elena feel extremely uncomfortable, so she hurriedly entered the library. At this moment, under the faint light of the street lamp, a strange shadow was cast. At that moment, Elena was searching for information on the second floor of the library. Suddenly, the lights in the library flickered on and off. Finally, they all went out, with the entire room in darkness and silence. Elena was frightened by the sudden darkness, and panic bursting into shouting loudly. She tried to get up and search for the light switch. While Elena was in fear, she felt a wave of weightlessness. Her body involuntarily fell backwards. A sudden cool breeze blew past. To her astonishment, she found herself sitting on the ground completely unharmed. The mysterious man, wearing a black leather coat, slowly approached Elena.
Carl, why are you here?
I had a feeling you might be in danger, so I came to take a look at you. Elena, are you okay?
Thanks for your asking, Carl. Who's there?
I have made many efforts to look for you guys, and this necklace is mine now.
Wishful thinking. It belongs to me, and no way you may take it.
Elena, get out of the way!
You are unworthy to fight me?
You bastard!
It cannot withstand a single blow.
No!
Who gave you the permission to come here? Get out!
You think you can suppress me forever?
Your ambitions will never come true. The honor of the family is mine to protect.
I'm just taking back what I need.
It doesn't belong to you. Stop your daydream.
Get out! And don't let me see you again.
Are you okay?
Thank you, Carl. I'm fine.
Look, what's that?
Look, what's that?
Why did the weird werewolf try to take my necklace? And why did the later werewolves help us?
Take it easy, and everything will work out. Why don't we take a look at this book first and see if we can find the answer?
Okay, let's together. This design is almost the same as that of my necklace.
The origin and history of the necklace is not mentioned in the book, but the totem seems to foresee some kind of power.
Special power?
According to the book, the necklace will be endowed with powerful magical powers when it is combined with certain objects. It can not only enhance the self-control ability of werewolves in their transformation state, but also purify the blood of vampires, making them stronger and more rational. They will no longer be driven by the thirst for blood.
But is it really the case? It's unbelievable.
The necklace will lead the demon hunter towards their destiny, revealing hidden truths.
Carl, this necklace seems really matters.
We need to plan carefully. We can't take any more risks.
Okay, let's go back and figure this out.
At this moment, the frightened Elena finally returned to her own home, unaware of what would happen next.
What will this necklace bring? No matter what lies ahead, I must uncover the secrets of this necklace.
Welcome home, Mr. Carl.
You are back. Do you have any findings?
Yes, I have found something. During our investigation, we were attacked by werewolves. One of the werewolves tried to take Elena's necklace, but then another werewolf came up and helped us fight it off. However, I discovered from a book that Elena's necklace seems to be related to the secrets of our family.
What power? Be clearer.
According to the book, the necklace will be endowed with the powerful magic powers when it is combined with certain objects. It can not only enhance the self-control ability of werewolves in their transformation state, but also purify vampire blood, making vampires stronger and more rational. They will no longer be driven by the thirst for blood.
This necklace is vital to us. You must take the necklace from Elena. It is an order.
But she's very important to me. I don't want to hurt her.
No matter what you say, we need that necklace. Remember your duty.
I'll find a way to get the necklace, but please give me some time.
You have 3 days. Don't disappoint me.
I'll be back. Stupid clan leader. He knows the importance of that necklace. Why hesitate? This foolish rule should come to an end.
We support you all the way.
This is treason.
Oops, the patriarch is in danger. Stop, you traitors!
Yeah.
Your treachery's doomed to be a failure. Next thing you know, that you will end up dead.
No, I'm not willing to accept it.
Get out of here! This is no place for you!
You've done well, Hernan. Your courage is commendable. Now I entrust the position of the clan leader to you.
May you lead our ethnic group to strength, Hernan.
I will do everything in my power to bring the werewolf family together as a united front and go back to fight.
Hernan.
Hernan, what's wrong with you?
You have 3 days. Don't disappoint me.
I don't know what to do. I can't hurt her, but I can't disobey the clan leader's orders either. Elena must be at her home. I have to find her.
To ensure the family's prosperity, Carl has no choice but to obey the clan leader's orders.
Trying to figure out a way to get close to Elena quickly and get that necklace.
Someone's coming? Carl? It's so late. And what brings you here?
Elena, I want to. Elena, I I want to talk to you.
What's going on? You look unsettled.
Elena, there are things you need to know about the necklace.
This necklace? What do you know about it?
It has powerful magic. It's very important to many people.
So you came to me because of the necklace?
Not just because of the necklace.
You're using me, aren't you? You got close to me just for the necklace?
Elena, I don't want to hurt you, but the necklace is really important.
Leave, Carl. I don't want to see you anymore. Leave, Carl. I don't want to see you anymore.
Elena, please hear me out.
There's nothing to say, and you've already disappointed me.
No, not now.
Carl, your eyes. What's wrong with you? Carl, what are you doing?
Elena. Is the old disease relapsing?
No, don't.
I only have 3 days. It's now or never. I'm sorry, Elena, but I have to do that. I'll come back for you, Elena. I will make up it.
Carl, you're back. Any results?
I got it.
Good. Carl, you've completed your task.
But I heard Elena. She won't forgive me.
Emotions are just obstacles. You must remember your duty.
Hernan, what's wrong with you?
He must have been plotted in the last engagement by the rival.
I'm fine. What I'm more worried about now is Elena's safety. Let's send someone to our house to take care of her first.
I am willing to go there.
We need to take him to the altar, where the power can heal him.
Altar.
During the war between werewolves and vampires, our chief found this altar.
It is rumored that when combined with some kind of token, it will present mystical healing powers. It can make people more powerful. Let's get Hernan to the altar without delay.
Emotions are just obstacles. You must remember your duty. Carl, there's something you need to know.
What is it?
This is the curse of our family. Our bloodline is tainted.
What can we do?
We need the power of the altar to moderate the onset of the disease. But that's not far enough. We also need the necklace to power the altar.
So, this is why you want me to get the necklace?
This is what you have to do to continue the family bloodline. Moreover, the blood of the necklace's owner is the true key to eradicating our affliction.
You mean Elena's blood?
The necklace is gone, Carl. What have you done?
Hernan was injured and he was worried about your safety. He sent me to protect you.
Hernan needs me. I can't just sit here.
Yes, only her blood can bring us back to life.
Do I really need to betray Elena?
Carl, I recognize your abilities, but if you're trapped by emotions, you'll never achieve greatness. Carl, you must understand our family has suffered from this curse for too long. Each generation of members has paid a price for this. Do you want to see all of us end by your unwillingness?
I understand the importance of the family, but Elena...
Elena is just an outsider. Her blood can save us all. It's an undeniable fact. Would you betray your family for an outsider?
I understand now, clan leader. For the family, I'm willing to sacrifice everything.
Get ready. We're heading to the altar. Today will be the day our families were born.
Yes, it's here. Get him down.
Where is it?
Clan leader, you lie down and don't worry.
We're almost there, and be prepared.
Malcolm Daru, how did you get here, clan leader of Vampire? This is our territory, and you have no right to be here.
Territory, you're just cowering here, clinging to life.
Stop talking nonsense. Let's have a decisive battle.
What's happening? We have to hurry up. Hernan, you must hold on.
We're here.
Hernan, are you all right? Carl, why are you here?
It seems you can't escape this fate at all.
What the hell is going on here?
I'm sorry, Elena. I lied to you.
Why are you doing this to me?
This is my family's mission. I have no choice.
You can't do this, Carl.
Cut the crap, Carl. Fulfill your destiny.
How did it come to this?
This power, I haven't felt it in so long.
Hernan, you're awake.
It seems nothing can be avoided.
Prepare for battle!
Let us spread our wings and fly through the ocean of the storm. The passion in our hearts lights our blood, action of the future. The flame of passion burns in our chair. Difficulties can't stop us, I'll take this word. Not past the peaks and valleys. Sweat and tears in a wave, we never retreat. The power of passion.
I'll make you disappear from this world.
No! No! I can't be knocked down! My people still need me.
Prepare to meet your end, Hernan. This time, no one can save you.
Stop! Don't hurt him!
You're too late, Galen.
You're gonna pay the price for this.
I appreciate your bravery.
Hurry! We need to retreat! Hernan can't hold on any longer!
Don't chase. Let them go. Today, they will only carry their defeat.
Don't look back and maintain formation! We need to get out of here fast!
Carl, prepare to activate the altar mechanism for the purification of our vampire bloodline. Everything is proceeding as planned.
The order is activated, and the purification ritual is about to complete.
Keep vigilant. Ensure there are no interruptions. After the purification is complete, our people will regain pure bloodlines. Now, our bloodline has been cleansed. Prepare to embrace the new era.
For the clan, for the power.
Carl, tonight you have done well. The future of the castle will be carried on by your hands.
I will do my best.
When Carl returned home, he discovered that his wound was miraculously healed.
My wounds, they're all healed? This can't be true. Elena, Hernan, where are you?
A few months later.
I need to become stronger.
Carl, you look a lot better.
Yes, to protect those I care about.
Emotions only make you weak. Only power and strength offer true protection. Let go of your foolish emotions, Carl. Only then can you become truly strong.
If I want to break free from this control, I need to become stronger than him. For power, I have paid everything.
Welcome back, my warrior.
What are you planning to use it for?
It's not exploitation. It's for the future of our species, Carl.
It seems that I must take action. For freedom, I must act.
Melody makes the movement of trees. Let us spread our wings and fly through the ocean of the storm. The passion in our hearts lights up the action of a future.
You'll regret this, Carl.
He taught me to give up stupid feelings.
Now, I am the leader.
Meet the new leader, Carl.
From today on, I am your new leader. We will usher in the new era.
As you command, Lord Carl.
Lord Carl, we discovered a mysterious force. They don't seem to belong to any known ethnic group.
We must investigate this immediately. We can't afford any oversights. We're facing an unknown enemy. Be prepared for anything.
As you command, Lord Carl.
No matter what the future holds, I will face it. Elena, Hernan, would you understand everything I've done? For the power, I had no other choice.
There is a mighty army out there, and their leader seems to have great powers.
What will come, will come. We must go all out and wipe out them. This time, I will not fail. We must be careful. Let's split into 3 teams and attack from different directions. Their commander is the key, and kill him first. Their strength is underestimated, but we will not shrink back.
Do not panic. Hold your ground and focus your attacks on the vampire leader.
You think you can stop me?
Now, activate the trap.
Elena, what are you doing here?
That's right, Carl. Finally, we meet again.